Hello students, in this lecture I will tell you that how you can deal with the complex numbers in Matlab. So in Matlab you have to solve the multiple mathematical problems. So you may deal with some complex number like x is equal to 1 plus iota, which is a complex number. If I execute this, you will see that uh, uh, the value of x in the command window is 1.000 plus 1.0000 iota. So the second portion represents the complex segment of the overall number. Like I am going to write 3 plus 45i. So this is the second number, and I execute it, and I use to see this type of result. If I write over here that the real of x, so real of x is 1 and image of x is 1. Similarly, if I write the real of y, then I get 3, and when I write imaginary of y, I get 45. I can multiply both of these numbers. This is very simple. X steric y. If I write this and I execute the code, I will get the value of z is equal to minus 42.0 plus 48 point something else. I can divide, but when I divide them, what I see is the result of z is equal to 0.0236 minus 0.0206 iota. So you can if I do it like this, z whole x whole square plus y whole square plus 2x y. Now you can see the result of z is equal to this thing. Now suppose these are symbols, x and y both are symbol, z is also a symbol, and I don't know the exact value of x and y, and I substitute z is equal to substitute z for x with 1 plus iota. When I execute this code, I see this type of result. After this, I am going to substitute the value of y within the expression z, and I'm going to substitute z is equal to 2 plus 5 iota, and I get the result z is equal to minus 27 plus 36 iota. So this is the very simplest method to solve the very complex problem in Matlab. Even though if the number is not a real number, if the number contains some complexity, then still you can get the result very easily. So this is all about the how Matlab deal with the complex number. In the next lecture I will show you some more basic things in Matlab that are necessary in order to solve the very complex and complicated problem of engineering and research. Thank you so much.